Up to you, mate, if you want an easy 2 million. Alright, hang on. There's one. Non-human. Threat 5. I'm also not slave. Well, I am slave to you, but I wasn't blue. I now am. Threat 5. How come your scanner isn't working? Why is your scanner not working? No. Why is your scanner not working? 6. I've got a 6. You slave to me. Okay, there he is. There's the bad boy. Yes. Didn't need to work that out for some reason. Luckily, he's come to me. Okay, scan complete. Okay, should we shoot him? Okay, you're right on top of me. Oh, nice. Let's get out of here.
Okay, I'm in the hot seat. Initiating deployment.
Okay, we don't know how this guy operates, do we? So we don't know when he's likely to energy surge and stuff like that. Yeah, there's that. How did I get so far out of range? Yeah, we both went in opposite directions. Yep. Let's just go boosty, 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 you know, like I'm supposed to.
I've got a hostile bearing down on me, Commander. Shields are down. Can you keep them off me while I regenerate, Commander? Sorry, Commander. You're gonna have to pick up the repair bill on this one. The fighter's being ripped to shreds out here, Commander. Can you pull them off me? Fighter destroyed. I hope your insurance is up to date, Commander.
Oh, as did I. His swarm isn't doing anything. I think his swarm is bugged. Yeah, they're big, but they're objectively useless. Is his shield down yet? I didn't see it go down. Let's see it. Okay, coming around for another 70. Oh, nice. Flight assisting off. Spell.
Copy. I'm deploying the fighter. Clear of the
man.
mothership. Ready when you are.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, my fighter's down.
Shields are down. Can you keep them off
the
while I
other ones
regenerate, Commander? Fighters down. We lost the link, Commander.
The shields are still up. Oh, caustic missile. When are you not hit by those? Are they? Both the caustic missiles. Well, there were 2 caustic missiles that followed me. Nice. Can't see which one it is. It's that one. He's got you in a tractor beam. That's really weird. Right. Oh, caustic. Another caustic's coming in. Oh, I just avoided that. Okay, that's gone. Coming back for some more multi-cannon on the... Oh, whoa. He just grabbed me. Okay, I shall... Oh, how handy. Oh, he's still got a shield on. Oh, that's a good point. Do with one of those. Yeah.
Fighter is now active. Standing by.
Uh-oh.
I'm ready for action, Commander.
The, Thargons are now, a thing. Yeah, seemed that way. Right, I am... Fighters down. Did you just take the heart out as well? I see it, yep.
The fighter's taking a lot of hits, Commander. Doing my best to keep it out of trouble. Telepresence link is offline. We've lost it, Commander.
Fighter out. But it's still bugged the, Oh, shit. Nice. It's probably about time for him to do a FA off then. FA off. Yeah, he's doing it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Are you... oh no. Okay, well at least I have my FA off. I don't know what happened to mine. I'm on like 90 something% hull still. I'm in good nick. It just wouldn't fire. I think I might have just done it ever so slightly early and it came off. No, it wasn't, because I still had shields up. I'm at 91. Are you anywhere near the Goid? I'm now 23k away because I had FA off. Oh yeah, you're near the Goid. I can hear that. I don't know if you want to fly towards me. Next time you need to bug out. Right, 20%, get out of there. 14, 10, 11. Look, get out, mate. What are you doing? Like, you'll fly past me. Shit. Right, you fucking punk. Oh, you still had your... Shit. Damn. Okay. Let me see if I can stick a wing beacon on. Hang on, I've got to take a shot at this guy first. Oh, come on now. Oh, what is going on here? Why am I getting absolutely fucked? Oh, for fuck's sakes. It is now. Getting hit. Cool. Do you reckon I've got... he is getting actually much more... Oh. 4% and down to 1%.
Control transfer complete. I'm ready for further instructions.
0%. I'm a... Oh, I've gone.
Enemy is bearing down on me, Commander. I'm hit.
Oh, I should have come out as soon as...
Commander.
Come on.
My whole thing
Read my
battery
screen.
situation critical, Commander. We lost the fighter. It took too much damage, sir.
Stop services. Come on. Crew lounge. Alright. Can you stick a wing beacon on? Oh dear God. This dude doesn't fuck around, does he? Okay, I'm leaving the station now. Cool. Right, while you're boosting away, give us a wing beacon. Or is it on already? I see it.
Copy. Mothership is under my control. Standing by for orders. Control transfer complete. I'm ready for further instructions. Ready and waiting, Commander.
Okay, I'm dropped.
I'm taking damage, Commander. Request assistance. Acknowledged. Let's do this, Commander.
No, not. Oh, shit. I've somehow managed to launch into the fighter.
I need to take evasive action
Yeah,
while
I'm
my
doing it.
shields remove, Commander.
Right, okay. So,
Things aren't going to plan, Commander. Hull is down to 50% integrity.
who are you? I'm just gonna get him. Is this the last heart? Shields down. Okay, I'm getting him. I'm getting him. Shit. Come on. Nice one. Good work, buddy.
Hostile is down.
That's a bit better. That... Man, he got really pissed off in the middle of that fight, didn't he? We just kind of avoided looking at the Thargon swarm because they were bugged, and then suddenly when they became active, we got wrecked. Including your rebuy spring. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I guess. That was, wasn't it? That means we've still got a bit to learn.
Systems confirmed. Docking was successful.
Yeah. I don't think it is. I think we'd need better tactics. Fuck, why did I do this in DBX?